Make your brand be the one that makes the noise that everyone else echoes. They copy you. You are the differentiator. You are the contraster, because if you're that, you contrast, you last, and it won't be your ass. I got hundreds of videos showing you how right here for free. Subscribe to my channel because I got 30 years branding experience for some of the biggest, most famous people, movies, and places ever. And I teach people right now across the web for the last 20 years how to be a badass emotional brand. And I got a bunch of free videos here on this channel. Follow me.